silly.
Yeah.
Yeah, let him sleep.
Is he cute? What do you like about him?
I like his mouth.
Like his mouth?
Yeah.
Huh?
He's
He's trying to cuddle you? Yeah, he's doing a good job.
Yeah.
His hair soft.
Is that mommy?
Yeah. Is his hair soft?
What color hair does he have? Does he have a nice nose?
Keep your arm under his neck.
No.
Are you done holding him?
No.
You want to keep holding him?
Yeah. How to put your arm on?
Okay, put your arm under. But you got to keep it there then. You're holding his head up, okay? What do you think of baby Noah? Do you want a baby Noah? You want a little baby like Noah? Yeah.
Do you have a baby at home?
Yeah.
What's your baby's name?
He's trying to tickle you.